Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is BitTorrent. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is BitTorrent? BitTorrent is a peer-to-peer, P2P file sharing protocol and technology that enables users to distribute and share large files over the internet in a decentralized manner. Instead of relying on a central server to host the files, BitTorrent allows users to download and upload files directly from and to other users who are participating in the network. This decentralized approach makes it possible to distribute large files more efficiently, as the burden of hosting and distributing the files is shared among the users who are downloading and uploading them. The BitTorrent protocol works by breaking down large files into smaller pieces called chunks or blocks, which can be distributed and downloaded independently. When a user wants to download a file using BitTorrent, they first obtain a small file called a torrent file, which contains metadata about the file being shared and information about the trackers and peers participating in the sharing process. The torrent file is then used by a BitTorrent client, which is a software application that manages the downloading and uploading of files using the BitTorrent protocol. Once the torrent file is opened by a BitTorrent client, the client connects to other peers or users in the network who are sharing the same file. The client then starts downloading the file in small pieces from multiple peers simultaneously, rather than downloading the entire file from a single source. As the client downloads pieces of the file, it also uploads those pieces to other peers who are requesting them, thus contributing to the distribution of the file. Because BitTorrent distributes the workload of file sharing across multiple users, it is often more efficient and scalable than traditional client-server file sharing methods, particularly for large files such as movies, software, and other media. However, it's important to note that while BitTorrent itself is legitimate technology, it has been associated with sharing of copyrighted materials without authorization, which can raise legal and ethical concerns. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report in what is BitTorrent is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.